Okay, today is Friday, July the 5th. Came out to the house to see what all we got done. And it was a pretty eventful day yesterday because they actually worked yesterday. And that is, the plumbers came and started working on getting all of our plumbing going. So we got in here all the cutoffs have been installed. And of course in here we've got shower head and controls. They had to dig out around here for the drain for the tub. And then we got, of course, all the cutoffs for our sinks, the potty cutoff, the kitchen. Started getting all that stuff all ready for our sink. The guest bath, same thing in here, all the cutoffs. And then of course we got the shower controls and shower head installed. And then in this bathroom, we got the cutoffs in, but have not gotten the tub hardware installed yet. So that's still coming, but huge day when you think about that, because that means we're getting that much closer with our water. You can tell out there we've got the outdoor, all our faucets installed. And so it's not going to be long, and we will have some water running into this house. So very exciting. Can't wait to see what happens next.